Have you ever reached the end of the month, looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation, feeling puzzled and sometimes even frustrated. It's a common feeling, but it doesn't have to be your reality. Understanding where your money goes is the first step towards financial freedom. The key to unlocking financial peace of mind is creating a monthly budget that works for you. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you live within your means and save for future goals. Start by listing all your sources of income. This could include your salary, freelance work, or any other earnings. Next, categorize your expenses. Break them down into fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance, and variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you might be overspending. Are you eating out more than you realized? Are subscription services quietly draining your funds? Small changes can make a big difference. Consider cutting back on non-essential expenses and redirecting that money towards savings or paying off debt. Cooking at home instead of dining out, for example, can save you a significant amount over time. Another effective strategy is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment accounts. This way, you pay yourself first and ensure that you're consistently working towards your financial goals. By taking control of your finances and creating a budget that works for you, you can transform that end-of-month anxiety into a sense of accomplishment and peace of mind. Remember, it's not about restricting yourself, but about making informed choices that align with your financial goals. With a well-planned budget, you can enjoy life more fully, knowing that your finances are in order. Whether it's planning a vacation, saving for a big purchase, or simply having a cushion for unexpected expenses, a budget can help you achieve your dreams. So take the first step today. Start budgeting, track your spending, and watch as your financial worries start to fade away. Financial freedom is within your reach, and it all begins with understanding where your money goes. Hey everyone, Graham Stephan here. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for anyone looking to secure their financial future: taking control of your finances. In this essay, we're going to break down the process of building a budget step by step so you can finally take control of your money. A budget is more than just numbers on a page. It's a powerful tool that can help you understand where your money is going and how you can make it work for you. We'll start by identifying your income sources and tracking your expenses. This is the foundation of any good budget. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in and going out each month is crucial. It allows you to see patterns in your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. A budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about giving yourself the freedom to make informed financial decisions. By setting realistic goals and sticking to them, you can achieve financial stability and even start saving for the future. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a plan in place. It's about empowering yourself to make informed financial decisions and achieve your goals. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or just trying to get a better handle on your day-to-day expenses, a budget can help you get there. So let's get started on this journey to financial freedom together. The first step to building a budget is understanding your income. This means calculating your total monthly income after taxes, also known as your net income. Include your salary, any side hustles, or other sources of regular income. Now, let's look at where your money is going each month. List all your expenses, big and small. Divide them into fixed expenses like rent or car payments and variable expenses like groceries or entertainment. Section 5. Dreams to reality. Setting financial goals. What are your financial aspirations? Do you want to buy a house, travel the world, or retire early? Setting clear financial goals, both short-term and long-term, will give your budget purpose and direction. Section 6. The 50-30-20 Rule, your budget blueprint. One effective budgeting strategy is the 50/30/20 rule. This rule suggests allocating 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Section 7. Budgeting in action. Allocating your income. Let's put it all together. Using your income and expense information and the 50/30/20 rule, start allocating your income to different categories. Adjust the percentages slightly based on your individual circumstances and priorities. Section 8. The power of tracking. Stay on budget. Creating a budget is just the first step. The real magic happens when you actively track your spending. Regularly review your transactions, categorize them, and compare them to your budget. Section 9. Adapting to life's changes. Adjusting your budget. Life is full of surprises, and your budget should be flexible enough to adapt. Don't be afraid to make adjustments as your income, expenses, or financial goals change. Section 10. Budgeting tools and apps. Your financial sidekicks. Technology can be a powerful ally in your budgeting journey. There are countless budgeting apps and tools available that can help you track expenses, set financial goals, and stay organized. Section 11. Your journey to financial freedom. This is where your path to financial independence begins. It's not just about numbers and spreadsheets. It's about creating a life where you are in control of your finances, rather than your finances controlling you. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards mastering your money. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of yourself. By acknowledging the importance of financial literacy, you are setting the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of planning, monitoring, and adjusting your spending to align with your financial goals. Think of it as a roadmap that guides you towards your dreams, whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably. Be patient, persistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Each small victory, like sticking to your budget for a month or paying off a credit card, is a step closer to your ultimate goal. These moments of success are worth celebrating because they keep you motivated and focused. Every dollar saved, every debt paid off, brings you closer to financial freedom. It's the little things that add up over time. By consistently saving and reducing debt, you are building a solid financial foundation. This foundation will support you in achieving your long-term goals and provide peace of mind knowing you are financially secure. Financial freedom means different things to different people. For some, it might mean having enough savings to cover emergencies without stress. For others, it could be the ability to retire early and travel the world. Whatever your definition, the key is to stay committed to your plan and make informed decisions. Educate yourself continuously. The financial landscape is always changing, and staying informed will help you make better decisions. Attend workshops, read books, and seek advice from trusted financial advisors. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate your financial journey. Set clear, achievable goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, having specific goals will give you direction and purpose. Break these goals down into manageable steps and track your progress regularly. Use tools and resources to help you stay on track. Budgeting apps, financial planners, and online resources can provide valuable insights and keep you accountable. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and enjoy the journey.